Hello everyone. In today's video, guys, I really want to talk to you about the importance of stacking gold. So why do I have this silver out here? Stay tuned. All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the importance of stacking physical gold. Yes, I still feel that it is the best option for right this moment. And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to explain to you how you can beat the premiums on it. Okay, so let's say that you have a pretty dense stack. Let's say that you have a lot of premium pieces, right? Things like I recently just got these and I'm already on the plus on them. I mean, immediately because of the spikes that are, the dealers are selling these for. So like secondhand places where you can sell things like this, people are paying a huge premium on them because, especially if they're rare, people are paying out the wazoo for this stuff and it's ridiculous. So if you want to add some more gold to your portfolio, which is the ultimate wealth, in my opinion, it really is. It pays over the long run better than silver will. Now, silver, after a recession, like I've said in the past, due to past trends, it does have a tendency to skyrocket, but it is a short-lived skyrocket. You know what I mean? If you're not willing to part ways with your silver, or if you're going to have a hard time unloading that much silver in a short amount of time, then you may want to take advantage of times like these, times like today, because people are, in FOMO right now, and you can really add to your stack. And you can do it two ways. You can add either more silver to your stack, or you can actually add gold to your stack. Now, these right here, I paid $360 for 20 ounces. Now, that is a great deal compared to what the bullion dealers are offering right now. And I literally bought these a week ago. I cannot go on any website right now and buy these for under $400. So I'm already in the profit, in the black on them for $40. Already. The cheapest I could find. Now, another way you can do it is like I said, if you have some premium silver, like things like this, things that are collectible, right? If you have a bunch of those, you could definitely turn them into gold, right? And that's, it's something you need to ask yourself. What's your ultimate goal? For me, it is gold. It is the keeper of wealth. The pharaohs have, that's how they measured their wealth. The Romans, they measured their wealth in gold. We, at one point, measured our wealth in gold. And I have a feeling that we're on our way back to doing just that, simply because of what is taking place right now in today's markets. Because right now, the only thing that's holding value is the so-called worthless dollar, right? Because everybody's trying to get cash. Because everybody is drowning right now. They are just drowning. And gold is and always will be the ultimate safe harbor, in my opinion. And it's just my opinion, okay? But please do your own research regarding that, because gold, over the course of history, has always outperformed silver in the long run. In the short run, yes, silver does outpace gold percentage-wise, but then it levels off. So you have a tiny window in order to get what you need to from silver if you are playing that ratio. And I'm not suggesting you go out and you sell all your silver. I'm just telling you there are options into getting into it. Because right now you could definitely get more out of your silver, out of your premium silver. If you are looking to get into gold, you could definitely do it right now. Now, I have 20 of these Britannias right now, and I'm definitely considering on flipping them. because I could take that money and I can either buy cheaper junk silver once the price settles, or I could pile it into something that's underperforming like it should be, like platinum. Whew, platinum is a good deal right now if you can get in on it. It is in the very low sixes, bordering fives for platinum, for 1 ounce of platinum. So guys, if you do have some premium silver and you have a seller's market going on and you would like to turn it into gold, now is a great time to take advantage of that. Because if you look online and you look, just go look on eBay right now and look how much the old plain old Jane, right? 2020 Silver Eagle is going for $26, $27. I've seen them selling left and right for a plain old Jane, something minted in the millions, Silver Eagle. So think about that. And I'm glad I stacked up on these things, the 2020s, because right now I can make a huge profit on these things and not bat an eye turning it into gold. Not one bit. So it's just a suggestion. It's a thought. It's something that I'm definitely considering. I'm not going to flip my Silver Eagles for it, but something that I don't hold, really hold value in, like my Britannias, I'm definitely thinking about putting those up and selling them, because I also have some other coins that I wouldn't mind letting go of. And I think that would be an excellent way to add more gold weight to my stack. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, be cautious, be careful, and keep grinding on your stack.